how to make South Indian style chicken biryani. So first we will see what are the ingredients required to make the chicken biryani. So first we need basmati rice, around 2 cups of basmati rice. Then we need curd, so we will put around 1 cup of curd. Then we need some vegetable oil, that's for frying the onion and all. Then we need the chicken, so around like 200 grams of chicken. Then we need 2 eggs. Then we need some chilies, some coriander leaves. Then we need onion, so 1 onion completely chopped. Then 1 tomato chopped. Then some lemon juice. And our masala mix. So this mix is made out of chili, coriander, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, garlic, onion, etc. And salt is also added. So this is the main ingredient of our chicken biryani. So we need this at least like half up. So it's made of like half spoon of chili powder, then coriander powder, then ginger, garlic, and chili. So we also need salt, little bit of salt. So we'll see how to make the chicken biryani. So now we need a pressure cooker to do this chicken biryani. So first we need to heat the pressure cooker. So we'll wait for the cooker to get heated. Now we need to add the oil to it. So we will add like 3 spoons of oil to this. Yeah. We will wait for the oil to get heated up. So now we will add the onion to this. So oil is almost heated. Now we will add the onion. So this is like 1 onion fully cut, fully chopped. So we have to fry this onion for like around 5 minutes. So once this becomes kind of golden brown color, we will add tomato to it. So we will wait for 5 minutes. Onion is almost golden brown now. So now we will add the tomato. So this is 1 tomato sliced. So we will add 1 tomato. Now we have to add the curd. So we will add 3 tablespoons of curd. Then we need to add the masala. So this is a mix of, as I told earlier, this is a mix of curd, chili powder, coriander powder, everything. So we will add the half cup of that masala. We add 1 spoon of lemon juice. We will add 1 spoon of lemon juice. We will add the chicken. So this is 200 grams of chicken. So we will add the chicken to it. So now we need to fry this for around 10 minutes. So we will fry the chicken in this gravy for 10 minutes. So it's almost 10 minutes now. So now we will add 1 spoon of salt to it. And now we will add the basmati rice to it. So this is already washed basmati rice. So 2 cups of basmati rice. So we need to add 2 cups of basmati rice. Now we added 2 cups of basmati rice. So now we will add 1 cup of water. we'll add the chilies also to this. And so now we will cook this biryani covered for till the first whistle. So you can keep it covered and put the whistle, and when the first whistle comes, our tasty chicken biryani will be ready. While chicken biryani is getting ready, we will make the egg for the chicken biryani. So we are taking 2 eggs and we will boil the eggs. Now our chicken biryani is almost ready. So now we will open it and see the chicken biryani. Now we will serve it into a plate. So now our tasty chicken biryani is ready. Thank you.